Hi folks, welcome to my small English garden. Now I've got loads of grapes in here. This one growing here, 25 years. And this one, same. And I keep pruning it every year. And this year, I got so many grapes on there. But I didn't grow these for myself. I grow them for the birds. Because it's September, October, the fruits get ripened. And the birds come here and have a feast. The problem with the grapes is you've got to keep them under control, otherwise they can get out of control. A couple of years ago I had them growing all the way down to the statue. See that statue over there? These used to come out, grow all the way across, all the way down there, tangled up into the conifers. Okay, let's start chopping. Right, got my pruners, I've cleaned them. Here is a tip for you. Get one of these snow shovels. Very easy to use, and most of the time I don't need a broom. good tip, snow shovel. What is that? And look, don't need a rake, don't need a broom, and you can use it to compress that down as well. There we are. That didn't take long. Now the air would circulate in there and it stops any disease, and all the nutrition will be concentrated on the fruit rather than on the leaves and growing further. Thank you for watching, folks. I'll see you next time.